Imagine eating more healthily without the guesswork. HealthyWeight members have lost, on average, 7% of their body weight and 6.5 kgs in 24 weeks. 12,000 members can't be wrong.
I was undergoing a lot of stress, but because of this program, I feel lighter, energetic, and I am happy that finally I have managed to find myself again.
Because I had to take pictures of my meals and send it to my dietitian every day, it really helped me to stay on track. And even if I deviated from the plan or went off the rails a little bit, I was right back on my plan by the very next meal because I knew I'd have to answer for the choices I was making.
Plus, our members eat better, have more energy, and feel more confident. And now you can too. Join the HealthyWeight program today and start your 6-month journey towards a healthier, more balanced lifestyle with support from your very own personal dietitian. The secret lies in our hands-on support, because when you check in with your personal dietitian, you're not just getting expert advice, you're also more likely to feel better, eat better, and achieve your goals. It's the personal touch that delivers results. Ready to begin your transformation? Your personal dietitian is one tap away. Log in to the Discovery app or website to join the HealthyWeight program today.